My name is Kash Mahesh. I am the Group Executive for Life Science Group within ATS. Customer typically will have to wear the hat of an integrator and go source it from 4 or 5 different companies. What we have done as part of our acquisition strategy is to provide a one-stop shop for the customer. It takes a long time for a customer to source these different equipment, test them, put them together, and then clearly there's a lot of finger pointing between vendors, and you avoid all of that. So time to market is a key for us and our customers. So if their product is FDA approved and they want to get it out to the market, you go to a company like ATS and we can get the product to the market very quickly because it's all on us at this point to deliver the solution.
They in turn can get their solutions and their products and their life-saving medications faster out to the marketplace.
There's a lot of excitement around life sciences opportunities, and we're taking the lead. Currently, we have within Life Sciences Group 5 businesses. So we have the core, which is the automation business, that's the biggest piece. And then we have specialty capabilities. We have Comicare, and they bring radiopharma expertise and isolation and containment solutions to the customers. The third business is Scientific Products. They are a conglomerate of a lot of different products and technologies, including lyophilization, centrifugal evaporation, liquid fill finish, and glass and labware products. The fourth business is Biodot. They provide unique value in ultra-low volume dispensing, used mainly in diabetes and cancer solutions, both on the therapeutic side and the diagnostic side. And we have Avidity, who partner with research facilities around the globe by providing water purification and delivery systems. Water purity is extremely important to pharmaceutical and biomedical industries.
We are known for low volume dispensing. You probably didn't know what a lateral flow test was until COVID happened. And all of a sudden now everybody knows what a lateral flow test is because everybody has taken a COVID test. We have solutions that can deliver lateral flow R&D. We can do lateral flow at scale of tens and millions of tests per year. We can't take those tests and put them into housings and put them into packages and label them and put them into cartons, but ATS can.
There's a lot of things that we use, and sometimes you use them so frequently that you forget about, but it's actually quite a lot. We use a needle to put in the IV. That's a one-time use. We use a needle for the blood work, also one-time use. The needle for the glucometer, one-time use. Most of our equipment is pretty good, but the odd occasion you'll have something not work for you. We'll make a point of telling our CRN, and they will contact the companies that make these products, us advocating for the products we do and do not want that really impact what the CRNs order and how much they order. We need to make sure that they work every time. It's a big deal if they don't. And we're obviously not going to continue to do business with them if their products aren't good quality.
We have tools and solutions and products that touch a wide variety of products that really have a significant impact on people's lives.
I think of the average person who's using an insulin syringe versus an injector pen. The injector pen, the numbers are much bigger and the needle's not really visible. And when you give them the education and they can do it themselves simply by pushing a button, it gives them that sense of autonomy, which is really good for them. It's empowering for them, and then they take more ownership over their own health, which is nice.
I have family members who have diabetes, and the products that we make are used to make glucose test strips.
I look at all of our factories across the world that I've been visiting over the last 6 months. There's a lot of people, there's a lot of talent, there's a lot of technology whose aim is to improve the lives of billions of people.
The partnership with ATS is now that the customer can stay as part of an ATS company from beginning to end. And there are even applications that's sort of a perfect match.
Our customers can come in and say, We need help on the drug discovery. We need help on clinical trials. We need help on high-speed manufacturing. ATS can help them do all of that.
It's incredibly rewarding to know that, Biodot's products were used to actually allow people to get back to work, that the economy was able to get kick-started again.
Fundamentally, I think ATS's work day in and day out matters, right? And that's really what drives me and all of my colleagues to get up every day.
Delivery is very key in this market. And a lot of times our customers come to us after a regulatory approval and they have to get that product into the market. The one thing they don't want to compromise is quality.
No one likes to be poked with an IV. No one wants to be poked with an extra needle because the other one fell out because the tape didn't hold it in place. It's a big deal.
What we all do together helps improve the quality of life of billions around the globe. That's important for me. And that's how I've led my life throughout. I love my job because, end of the day, what we do really matters to people.